Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking Ipsy and I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Ipsy glam bag from the month of December. There wasn't really a set theme this month other than kind of like festive holiday-ish, so the bag is kind of this cute gold, like glittery thing. I don't know, it's spiderwebby looking. It's really cute, and then the back is this faux leather look. It's cute. The tassels like that too. I don't know, it's just kind of a fun bag, so I enjoy it. The first product that I got is this Porefessional Primer by Benefit. Obviously, you can see I have not opened this. I do really like this. I have used this in the past. Will continue to use it. I do recommend this. So, and the approximate value of this little sample is $4.27. Next up is a shadow from the Balm. This is from their Foiled Again palette. So it's a foiled eyeshadow in the shade Red Handed. So it's kind of a gold coppery looking color. It's pretty. I'm not going to swatch it for you guys because it does not swatch the way it applies, which was kind of disappointing because normally I love all the samples that I've ever gotten from the Balm, and I probably have like 6 or 7 of them now, of these little sample size shadows and blushes and highlights and bronzers and all that stuff, but this is the first one that I have been disappointed with. The foil doesn't really look foiled, it just kind of looks muddy brown reddish, so I was not super impressed with this. And the approximate retail value for this little sample size is $4.60. Next up is this highlighter by Catherine Natural Cosmetics in the shade Sienna's Highlight. It is very pretty in the box. I don't know if you can kind of see, but there is a ton of fallout from this, and my biggest complaint is that it is very much just a loosely pressed glitter. It is not really a highlight, so it's pretty, but it's not really a highlight. I don't know, it just kind of looks really messy and there's a lot of fallout and it just gets all over. So it's pretty. I will still continue to use it, but it's not my favorite. The other weird thing about this product is that I couldn't find a place where I could purchase it in the United States. I found their Canadian store, but the United States store seems to be inactive and you have to purchase it through third parties that are also selling it out of the country. So just really weird. I don't know why this was included since it's not a product that I can buy here, and there is no approximate value because I could not find any sort of size. However, this product I really did like from the bag. This is the Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. It just feels very nice. It's got a lot of nice good stuff in it. So the Dead Sea, obviously, shea butter, aloe vera juice, jojoba oil, just nice stuff. Makes your skin feel nice. It really feels soothing and calming and hydrating and cleansing. So I did like this. Will continue to use it. Probably one of my favorite mud masks. It just feels really nice. I was actually really surprised at how affordable this is. This sample size is 30 milliliters and it's worth about $2.75. So the full size is actually very affordable and I am considering purchasing. And then last but not least-ish, I'll show you in a second, I got this Farah F-A-R-A-H 35E tapered blending brush. I do like this. I have been using it. It is, I don't know, it's just very nice. It's very classic looking. It's held up pretty well so far, so I will continue to use it. I was pretty impressed with the price point of the brushes. I'd never heard of this brand before, but most of their brushes range from about $8 to $12, so they are fairly affordable, but definitely not as affordable as some amazing quality drugstore brushes like e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then because it was December, Ipsy was kind enough to send everybody an extra little gift in their bag, so everybody got a 6th sample or product, and so mine was this little brush. This is the SL Miss Glam L36. It's a tapered highlight brush. I'm pretty sure I've got this before. Like, this looks exactly like 2 other ones that I've gotten, and I'm just not a huge fan of the SL Miss Glam brushes. They're just okay. So while it is nice that they sent this, I'm not like incredibly thrilled with it. And like I've mentioned before, they do not sell like individual brushes. They have a couple of face brushes that they sell individually, but not this specific one. So I figure the price point is around $13. So for those of you guys that were not keeping score, that brings the approximate retail value of the Ipsy December Glam Bag up to $34.62. Now that is not including the Catherine Natural Cosmetics highlighter, because again, it's not available in the US and I could not find an ounceage and a price for that for the full size, but it is including the extra brush, like the extra gift that they gave for December. So it was a mixed bag, pun intended. The thing that I really liked was the Dead Sea mask. Everything else I could take it or leave it, so this definitely wasn't like the best Ipsy month. So I'm hoping that, you know, the new year that's already started, super late, sorry guys, will be better. I'm really looking forward to using my January glam bag, and hopefully it'll be a bright brand new year. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'm very curious to see what everybody else got as their extra product in their December glam bag for Ipsy, so definitely let me know what you got. While you are down there, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.